This is a thank you card, and as you can see, I put some dimensional, some foam pads just to give that extra dimension. But I want to show you layer by layer. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so pleased to meet you, and welcome to my channel if it's the first time you are watching. Today is Thursday, so it's another episode of Fancy Fold Thursday. So every Thursday we showcase fancy fold card. I've got a playlist here on YouTube. We are on episode, I want to say 7, if my memory helps me. So you can go back to the folder on the playlist and check out all the different fancy fold cards that we made so far. And today I'm excited because this card it looks complicated, but it's so simple to make. So it's a 3 tiers fold card. So it folds flat like that. Okay, super simple. And then when it opens, you got 3 tiers like that. I think if I put it like that, you can probably see it better. So it's basically a piece of cardstock, and then you just fold in a concertina way, and then you just decorate it. And I've used all Stampin Up suppliers, so this is a Stampin Up papers, dies, and other flower dies. Actually, they're not from Stampin Up, because I had lots of papers to use up. So I thought, you know, until still September, and then next month in October I'm gonna start with my autumn tutorials. You got all the autumn color schemes and stuff. This is a thank you card, and as you can see, I put some dimensional, some foam pads just to give that extra dimension. But I want to show you layer by layer. So the first one is this one. So again, I just played. This paper here is gorgeous. You've got all different shades of green. So I've used 3 different cardstock. I got this texture green, this light olive green, and this darker green. And then as you can see, behind this white banner there is another banner, and that's another green. And then of course gold, because you guys know how much I love gold. This is layer number 2. Again, different leaves, different dies. I don't know if you can see that gold's got that embossed. It's really, really pretty. And then number 4, which is the number 3, sorry, which is the last one. Very, very busy, but that's me. I like it when it's a lot of full. There is a lot of things going on. I like a really full cards, and that's the base of it. Okay, very, very simple. So again, it's a sort of card that you can use it for birthdays or any sort of occasion, and then is basically a showstopper. So everybody will comment how gorgeous this card is. To make it, because I can talk forever, it's very simple. So we just need a piece of cardstock that measure 10.5 by 5, and what you do, you fold it and score it at 1 1/4, 2.5, 4 1/4, 6, 8 1/4, and 10.5. As usual, guys, all my templates are available in PDF to be downloaded on my Facebook group. So if you are not with me on Facebook, I will appreciate a little join, because it's a really interacting community. There's a lot of you guys, a lot of crafters that share the project tip and tricks. Michelle did a lovely freebie with all these little banners with the sentiments for everybody to download. So it's a very interactive community. So I would like you guys to join me over there as well. So once you score it, you just fold in a concertina way. So you simply go in and out, in and out, in and out. And that is your card. Ta-da! Very, very, very simple. I mean, I could not make any simpler than that. Okay, so it comes at a rectangular, and then you can embellish. So you get so you get one layer here that you can decorate. Then you have one there that you can decorate, and then you have the third one, which is the biggest one. It goes like that. The reason why it's the bigger one, because it's going to have all the weight. So this piece of card here, the cardstock is on the back, is actually the most important piece, because it's going to hold all the weight. So yeah, and make sure all the weight is actually here and not on the front, because otherwise the card is going to collapse like that. So make sure everything that you put is towards the back. Like you can put a few things on the second layer, but don't go too much, because again, otherwise the card is gonna fold flat. Okay guys, I couldn't make it any easier, couldn't I? So again, if you do make this card, I will be so delighted to see how you're gonna decorate it. So feel free to share it and tag me so I can see what you guys made. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. The only thing I'm going to ask you, if you can just give me a big thumbs up, because that will support the video doing well, because you tell YouTube how much you like my content. Right guys, again, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe and well.